Welcome back to my channel. Have you ever wondered how a small bird native to Africa ends up as a mouth-watering entree on your plate? Today we're taking you on an exclusive behind-the-scenes journey from free-range guinea fowl to fresh, flavorful dishes you've likely never experienced. No factories, no shortcuts, just nature, patience, and genuine care. Stick around because this will change how you view farming and food. And hey, if you love authentic farm-to-table stories, hit that like button and subscribe to join our community. Let's dive in. Guinea fowl, often called African fowl, originate from the warm, untamed regions of Africa. They've thrived there for thousands of years, surviving harsh environments where few other animals prosper. What helps them endure? Their remarkable spotted plumage. These dots aren't merely decorative. They offer perfect camouflage among dry grasses and shrubs, letting predators pass by unnoticed. But blending in isn't their only defense. Guinea fowl are both clever and social. They always move in groups, never alone. A lone bird is skittish, but a flock stands confident. They stick together like a well-coordinated team, constantly watching out for each other. They're noisy too. At the first hint of danger, they squawk loudly, triggering alarms throughout the group. Many farmers even keep guinea fowl to guard chickens and other small livestock from predators. Their warning calls are loud enough to scare off intruders. Another reason they're so valued. These birds are tough. They endure extreme heat, arid conditions, and rugged terrain where other poultry would falter. And they're not fussy eaters. They happily feast on grains, seeds, insects, worms, and small pests. Ideal for farms of any size. When it comes to eggs, guinea fowl are prolific. A healthy hen can lay between 80 and 150 eggs annually, depending on environment and care. That's a huge potential for new life every season. Farmers must be swift though, because clever guinea fowl often hide nests in dense bushes, tall grass, or leaf piles. Each day, farmers scour the fields, gathering eggs before they become too soiled, cracked, or spoiled. The best, most robust eggs are selected and placed in a special incubator, a warm, cozy machine that mimics a mother bird's care. Inside, temperature is held at about 37.5 degrees Celsius, and humidity is tightly regulated. This environment gives embryos the perfect chance to grow strong. The incubator, or farmer, turns the eggs several times daily, preventing embryos from sticking to shells and promoting even development. After roughly 26 to 28 days of careful warmth and turning, faint cracks appear and tiny peeps ring out. The chicks are ready. Each chick breaks free, fluffy and full of life. The next generation of guinea fowl begins its journey. Post-hatch, the chicks move into specialized brooding cages, warm, snug spaces designed just for them. Heating lamps keep the temperature ideal. No cold drafts, no chilling nights, only a safe, cozy haven for healthy growth. They stay in these cages for a few weeks as farmers monitor their eating, hydration, and comfort. Any chick that seems weak gets immediate extra attention. These early days are crucial as they determine how strong the birds will become. Next comes their first big adventure, outdoor exploration. During daylight hours, young guinea fowl roam open fields, pecking for seeds, crunchy insects, and fresh greens. Natural foraging keeps them active, alert, and content. just as they would in the wild. Though free-range, farmers still supplement their diet with nutrient-rich grains like corn, wheat, and millet to boost energy, plus fresh leafy greens loaded with vitamins and minerals for strong bones and glossy feathers. Clean water is always on tap, keeping them hydrated and lively as they grow. Living close to nature with a dash of extra care yields healthy, happy guinea fowl bursting with flavor and nutrition. Once the birds reach full size, it's time for careful processing. First, all feathers are removed, essential for a clean, smooth skin and easier handling. Farmers use gentle plucking to keep the skin intact and pristine. Next, the legs are severed for neat handling and professional presentation. Then comes evisceration, the meticulous removal of internal organs under strict hygiene standards. This delicate step ensures the meat remains fresh and uncontaminated. Afterward, the carcass is divided into prime cuts. Thick, juicy breasts perfect for roasting or grilling, tender, flavorful thighs ideal for stews, and delicious wings for quick, crispy preparations. Each cut is handled with care to preserve peak quality and taste. Finally, the meat is packaged using food-grade materials so it stays fresh, safe, and primed for cooking once it reaches your kitchen. From roaming free in open fields to becoming delectable meals, the guinea fowl's journey is natural, clean, and infused with genuine care every step of the way. Guinea fowl, with their rich, firm flesh, lend themselves to unforgettable dishes. Roast them, stew them, stir-fry with garlic, herbs, or a splash of wine, and you've got a feast. Thanks for joining this farm-to-table adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fresh, fascinating food stories. See you next time.